Okay, good morning, guys. So today we shall see. In the previous class we had seen Kaif. In the previous class we had seen two lab programs. So today we shall see one scanline filling algorithm. To fill the polygon, we use this scanline filling algorithm. The code for this one is this will be the output. So to get this output, what we need to do? First, you people go through this one. Once again. So this is the output for me. To get this as the output, what are the prerequisites I need? So this will be the output for me. To get this one as output, what are the prerequisites? What I need to do? See here, hold on a minute. So let me rewind the previous program what we have done. Yes, this is the line clipping algorithm. That is Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm output.
Excuse
So
me,
to get this out, yes, man.
screen is not visible.
ಈಗ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ.
Black screen, sir.
Now?
No, sir.
Now?
No, sir.
Huh? ಮನೋಜ್ ಈಗ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Sir.
ಇವಾಗ? Now, Manoj?
No,
No.
sir.
Now?
Black screen, sir.
Only black screen is visible, sir.
ಇವಾಗ? Now check it out.
No, sir. Not visible.
Is it how many of you are using laptop? Is anyone using laptop? Kaif, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Manoj laptop use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
I will share the code to you. You open, man. ಕೋಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Dev C++.
ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು.
Manoj, I shared you the code. Open that one.
Excuse me, sir. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇವಾಗ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Some technical issues, guys. Apart from that, nothing. Guys, I need the output of this format, guys. To get the output of this one, what I need to do? You know how to draw a cube, how to draw a triangle, how to draw a line, everything. See here, yesterday's class we had seen this one. See here, for line clipping, this was the output. First, we need to build this rectangle and we need to draw this line. So this will be x minimum, y minimum, this will be x maximum, and this will be y maximum. This will be x naught, y naught, and this will be x1, y1. So this will be your x minimum, y minimum, this will be x maximum, this will be y maximum, and this will be your new x comma y and this x comma y. Like that, to get this as the output, first what we need to do? How many points are required? How many vertices are required? How many vertices are required? Next, should I draw a line loop or should I draw anything? First, how many vertices are required to draw this one?
4.
4 vertices means I need 4 x comma y values or only x comma y values. I need x comma y values, or I need x values, or I need y values, or I need x y z values.
4x comma y values.
4x comma y values. Next, what I need? I need a line loop function, right? Should I need a line loop function or not? I need a line loop or a polygon function or not?
Polygons.
Polygon or even line loop will work. Okay, these things, let us see the code. So what I need, let us see this display part first. First, what I need, I need x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, and x4 comma y4. I need 4 points to draw this one, guys. To draw this one, I need x1 comma y1. Let it be anything. It will be x1 comma y1. This will be x2 comma y2. This will be x3 comma y3, and this will be x4 comma y4. I need the pixel positions of that one, and I'm going to give that one. X1 is equal to 200.0, y1 is equal to 200.0, x2 is equal to 100, y2 is equal to 200, x3 is equal to 200, y3 is equal to 400, and x4 and y4 300 comma 300. And using these vertices x1, x2, x3, x4, we are going to build a line loop. We are going to build a line loop. Go through this one for a minute or two. So next we have the int function. Guys, first you people go through this one. First I will share this part in your WhatsApp. Just you concentrate on this part first. Kaif, is the screen visible, man? Kaif or Manoj or anyone?
Yes, sir.
Some issues in the network. Okay. Go through that code what I have shared to you people in WhatsApp. Guys, for any program, first you need to build the image using the same functions. So I think it was in the second module. So guys, see here, guys. First, what we're going to do is we are going to draw the outline of this polygon. We are going to draw the outline of this polygon. Just this blue line we are going to draw. So next, what we are going to do is we are going to fill the color inside the polygon, not outside the polygon. We are going to what we are going to do is we are going to fill the color inside the polygon. So that is achieved by this algorithm, that is scanline filling algorithm. So let us see some basics of scanline filling algorithm. So we will be filling the polygon from left to right, guys. So scanline. So you just go through this one from where we are going to fill. This gives a better understanding. From left to right, we are going to fill. See this arrow mark. We call that line as scan line. We'll be calling that line as scan line. I think even this may give you a better understanding. So from Y, we draw lines, guys. Those lines are called as scan line. So see here, these are the two intersection points, right? So these are the two intersection points. What we're going to do is we're going to color the lines between these two intersection points. See here, from here to here, there is one intersection. One intersection is here and the other intersection is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these two, the intersection point as reference, and we are going to color the intermediate pixel values. See here, it is dots actually. If you zoom it, it will be dots. So what we are doing is from here one intersection point, here is one intersection point. We are going to color the intermediate intersection points. Okay. So this will be your x0 comma y0, and this will be your x2 comma x0 comma y0 and x1 comma y1, or x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2. So we need, see here guys. So first what we need is we need 4 points to draw this one. We need 4 points to draw this one. This will be x0 comma y0, this will be x1 comma y1, this will be x2 comma y2, and this will be x3 comma y3. Using line loop we draw this one. So next what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to draw one scan line, right? We need to draw one scan line. So even the scan line will be having points, right? This will be your x0 comma y0, and this will be your x1 comma y1, or this will be your x1 comma y1, and this will be your x2 comma y2. For each scan line we will be having two intersection points. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to determine the intersection of an edge with the scan line. This topic is in the second module, guys. I think for the second entrance, we had given this question, scanline filling algorithm. So see here, this line gives better understanding. This algorithm works by intersecting scan line with polygon edges and fills the polygon between pairs of intersections. Let's go through these lines. Guys, I got some 2 or 3 people inquiring that this semester whether it will be promotion or not. Guys, you people are in 6th sem, you people should teach the second and first year people. You should guide them. Allah control you being in 6th sem, even if you are behind, whether it will be promotion or not. What about them? Guys, it won't be any promotion or anything. You know, please don't listen to any of the rumors. If you have any doubts, you can visit the VTU website, or you can visit you can go through the circulars which have been sent from college. Apart from that, don't trust any of the information news. There are many people to mislead us. Okay, don't go through anything. Okay, newspaper, which newspaper, Kaif? Can you share that clipping? Let me see. Share it in WhatsApp now, personally. Okay, let me check. As of now, today you people just go through this one. Rest of the things we shall, rest of the program we shall see in the tomorrow's class. Guys, start working on your mini project. Don't neglect. No comments, boss. Prepare. Let us see. Guys, I will give one more assignment, just some 3 to 4 questions. Complete that one by this weekend. I'll give one more assignment with just 3 questions, guys. I don't want to try. I'll give one more assignment with just 3 questions and one quiz I will give. I don't want to burden you people. I'll give 3 questions as one assignment. That is the 5th assignment, and I will give 5th quiz. Okay, after this class, I will do that one. By today, I will do. You complete that one within Saturday, and from Sunday, you people be free. Start writing the record. Start preparing the report. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, we shall see rest of the program in the next class, and we shall wind off tomorrow and Saturday, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.